Right, there's Gibeon. I miscalculated slightly, so the turn-off, I'd calculated the full distance of Gibeon at 73, which meant of course the turn-off was at about 63, so that was pleasant. So that's it, town of Gibeon, at a hot past 12 o'clock somewhere, maybe 12:30, 12:20, because I stayed there for 10, probably 12:30 now. And my mental direction said I got to go past the turn off to the town. Drankvinkel, that's what I'm interested in. Get a cold beer around this bend, and I guess we should see a turn off to Gibeon guest camp and something, camping and guest house or something. Jeez, I'm looking forward to getting all this off. A shower or something. And maybe a nap. That dirt road I think is going to the rest camp. On the left you got to go round and then you curl back on yourself. Let's just drop the speed a bit. No sign. No sign. Oof. Please let there be a sign, otherwise I got to. There we go. Stop and check where I am and all of that stuff. General dealer. Business park. Nice church on the hill. Oh, near man. Oh. Jeez, this is the worst part. You arrive and you're so looking forward to getting there, and then there isn't a sign. Anyway, let's pull out the Blessed Redeemer. Let's turn that off. 12:42. That's about right. Turn on location. Go to maps. Oh, it's nice and quiet here. Marienthal, Gibeon. Ugh, Lord, now it's not showing the detail of Gibeon. I was zooming in yesterday. There I am. Ugh, fuck my bit. Let me try tracks for Africa, see if they'll have them. Let me show lodging. Oh, now because there's no signal, Okay, well, we just got to ask someone then. So I have gone past it. Okay, so I need to go back and then clearly I missed the turnoff.com. 12:42. Just there's nothing here. Fucking nuts, man. This just makes my anticipation of beer more delicious. Crawl around. Excuse me. Oops, forgot I'm on air. Okay, so there's got to be a turn off to the right somewhere. Don't think it's up there. I don't think it's in there, so let's assume it's in here, but that can't be it either. So let's assume it's here then. Well, let me just check my phone to see if this looks better. I'm so fucking far away now. I've gone right round the corner. Okay, well, it's not here. Which means there's going to be an interesting turnaround situation here. Let me just go in reverse. Mike's got a nice reverse gear. Oops, let's not go too far. So let's go and ask someone. Well, I haven't paid them yet. I said, no, you can pay us dollars when you get here. So, I don't know. Let's ask these people over here. Hallo julle, gaan het? Ek soek daai campingplek, die guesthouse of iets. Hoe ver? Op my linkerkant. Is daar teken? Ek moet fucking nat crazy wees, want ek het nie gesien nie. Net om die draai op die linkerkant. Okay, dankie. Dankie nee. Okay. Daar's 'n groot teken, sê hulle. Because of course I keep looking for something on the right. So around this bend on the left. Is daar 'n groot fucking teken. Gibeon Business Park, that's not what I want. Okay, that's some US aid money, I guess. Around here, toilets, draaiplek, Groot fucking teken. Net om die hoek. Okay, so net om die hoek.com. I didn't go far enough. That's what. I stopped just here at the tar. Okay, net om die hoek, of course, is a flexible statement. I thought they really meant net om die hoek. So I didn't come this far first time, that's the problem. Because I really thought, whoa. So net om die hoek.com is 'n groot teken. Jeez. Well, okay, we keep going. Got enough petrol? Net om die hoek. What does that mean? I've net om die hoek already here now. I've been a honeymoon just now. Keep going. Thank you. What the fuck does thank you mean? Well, there's no net. That's the rubbish dump. Net om die hoek. Thank you. Well, okay, let's go back again. Well, I'm clearly being quite thick, might be the right word. Net om die hoek. Alright, let's go back again. Guess we're narrowing it down. My word. That beer is, and shower and sleep and all of that stuff is just slightly delayed, ladies and gentlemen. It's amazing, you think you know it, I looked at it last night, I said 8.8 k's round the bend, come back on yourself, and you're there. I've certainly got a recommendation for the owner. Net om die hoek. Groot teken, the lady said. Teken net om die hoek. Gibeon Business Park. Gibeon Business Park. Jesus, engine's hot. Oof. Bakery en goedes. What the fuck is the what the fuck is going on here? Let me ask these people. Hallo julle? Gaan dit? Lekker man. Daar's 'n blyplek, 'n kampeerterrein of 'n Ek weet nie waar ek moet, daar's geen tekens, ek weet nie waar ek moet gaan. So moet ek ingaan hier by die business park. Hier by die business park is waar jy ingaan. O, en is hulle daar deur aan die kant of iets of? As hulle nie oopmaak nie, of moet ek hier op die grondpad? Ek moet daar eers speel en hoor waar. Okay, dankie. Okay, dankie. Ja, ja, ek het net geboek met hulle. So, So dis nou Gibeon. Lekker.
Wat is dit? Oh, hier sê hier kom sy hier. Sy kom aan. Dan loop la.
Alright. Someone's coming to open. Okay.
Ek het nie meer jou nommer nie. Waar so? Sa nommer sê maar se tyd nommer ek tyd dat doen. Jy moet mos daar vat en vir my via. Ek wil nie soek nou die nommer op my foon maar ek kry hom nou nie.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. My name is Mark. I booked with the place, ne?
Yes. You can just drive there.
So at the business park I must go in. Okay, dokie. Beslis, dankie. Okay, so I gotta go in. Richard, I hope you're enjoying this. This is the Kardashian in the fucking extreme, eh? Ek moet hier opgaan. Fuck my sideways. So I've got to go up the mountain, yeah? Which the bike will of course do. Ooh. Okay, check out that. Dis net hierso. Bloody hell, it's net hierso. There you are. Gibeon se ietsie. My goeie toestand. Well, that's Kardashian.com completely. Thank you. So it's part of the business park. I don't know where I must go. Let me find out where I must stop.
It's the room that you are taking.
Yeah, it's a single, yeah, single. Jeez, I think I'm here, guys. Yeah. All right. See you later.